Hello YouTube, we're gonna show you how to make a Cambodian dish. It's gonna be called Cha Kreung Kruch. In English terms, it's gonna be spicy stir-fried quail. So right now we're starting, we're dicing up some garlic, and we're grilling the garlic before we put everything else. Everything is already pre-cut and pre-made to speed up the process. So right here we have quail. It's about 6 quail. You could buy these quails from in the Asian supermarket, or some food flats might have it too. They're frozen quail. And then over here we have lemongrass. We have turmeric roots, Thai chili, fresh garlic, and kaffir lime leaves. And over here we have celery. We have eggplants and some spicy leaves. I forgot what you call it, but I believe it's basil. It's basil. So this is a Cambodian dish. It shouldn't take that long to cook. It's gonna take maybe like 15 minutes. It's gonna be about 15 minutes to cook. So right now we have the temperature at medium. And we're gonna grill the onion for how long?
Until it's turned brown.
Until the onion turns brown. Once the onion turns brown, then
Garlic.
then my wife will be adding the garlic, which is right here. So this whole dish should take about 15 minutes to cook. This is actually one of my favorite dishes. So besides quail, you could put chicken. You could add chicken. You could add whatever meat you want, but usually it's some type of poultry. And I also like to add liver, chicken liver. I thought you were gonna put the garlic. Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So right now the garlic is already brown. So my wife will be adding in the quail. And she will be stir frying the quail for how long are you going to be making this quail? Or stir frying?
I don't know how long, but medium.
Okay. So she's going to cook this quail medium before she puts all the other spices and veggie. We're starting this new channel, guys and gals. Please like and subscribe. This will be pretty much our first video, and the more comments, the more likes will give us. Please like and comment so we could give us the opportunity to make more videos like this. So the video will be about cooking fresh Asian cuisine and garden and traveling. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Whoa, okay. So now my wife will be adding, looks like it's, hold on, turn it over here. Mushroom soy sauce. Turn it to the front. Mushroom soy sauce, and the brand is Healthy Boy brand. How many teaspoons do you think?
2, I think.
So she'll be adding approximately 2 teaspoons, just to give it some taste, and now she will be adding oyster sauce, and the brand is Mega Chef. And how many?
2.
About 2 tablespoons as well. You can measure it if you're not sure how much to put in there. So 2 tablespoons. And next she will be adding, what is that?
The soup?
Let me see.
No.
Oh, It's a dry powdered soup. What kind of brand is it, huh?
I don't know what type.
So that's about 2 tablespoons right there, right? Or about
1 tablespoon.
about
1.5.
about 1.5 tablespoons of dry soup. I forgot the brand, but I'll see if I could find it, the brand, and link it under the video. And then she's going to stir fry it, stir it around to mix it up. Again, guys and gals, this dish will take about 15 minutes to cook after everything is prepped, and it's a really delicious dish. You could make it as spicy as you want. Put as many chili in there as you want. And also, again, you could put chicken. You could add chicken liver. This right here is quail. So stir fry it till medium done, and now next will be she's going to put all these spices right here. We'll see the order that she puts them in. So she's going to actually smash it around first. You could also put this in the grinder, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't have one of these things to smash it, you could put it in a grinder. Put it in one of those Chef Max mixer grinder. One of the juicers, or not the juicer, but the thing to mix. Now she's going to smash it. And let's see how fine she's going to smash it to. So smash it for about how long? A couple minutes?
Couple minutes.
Couple minutes of smashing. Make it however fine or coarse you want. Meanwhile, the quail is still cooking and grilling, and the heat is medium right now. It's between medium and high. A little bit higher than medium. Let's look at the flame. There you go. There's the flame right there. Let's go back to the smashing. Just put this over here. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna pause it for a second until she's done, and then we'll come back. So this thing it's been mashed for about 3 minutes, and you can see how it's still kind of coarse. It's not too fine, and now it's going to be ready to be put into the mixed in with the quail. So let's mix the quail around. And now the temperature is going to be at high now. It's changing it to high, from medium to high. Make sure the quail is cooked good. Before you add all the other spices. Again, please like, subscribe, and share this video so we can make more videos. And give us some ideas of what dish you want us to make, and we'll make those dishes. We can make Thai or Cambodian dish. So now we're adding the spices. Get it all out. Now we're gonna mix it around thoroughly, so every quail will be so you get flavor in all of the quails. Again, this is mostly a poultry dish, so you could do chicken, you could do quail, you could do really any type of poultry, but the most common thing is chicken or quail. And like again, with chicken, I like to add chicken liver inside it as well. Wow, look at that! That looks so good already. So we're gonna let this sit for about how long before we add the final vegetables? For about 3 minutes or what?
Yeah, until.
So we're gonna leave it in there for about 3 minutes, or until it looks
a little bit crispy.
It looks a little bit crispy. Again, you can make it as crispy as you want. We like it. We like to eat ours a little bit crispy on the outside, but still kind of juicy on the inside. Again, this is called stir-fried spicy quail. And this is a Cambodian dish. Do you have it in Thai too or no? So you learn how to make it from what, my mom?
Yeah.
So again, guys and gals, if you have any ideas of what you want us to cook, leave it in the comment, and then we'll do what we can to cook those dishes. Cambodian or Thai dishes. We can make pad Thai. We can make sweet and sour soup. There's just give us some ideas. So it's a little bit crispy right now. So now it's time to add the final ingredients. There's the eggplants. The eggplants takes eggplants and celery, and the basils could go in last because the basils you don't want it too cooked. You can eat it kind of fresh. Stir fry it. So and the vegetable we kind of like to eat it kind of fresh too, so we don't want to overcook the vegetable. So we're gonna leave the vegetable in there for about what, a couple minutes. For a couple minutes, or until however you want it to keep it. Excuse me. So. Oh, I can smell it already. It tastes so good. I can't wait to eat it. Again, this dish takes about 15 minutes once everything is all prepped and cooked. I mean, once everything is all cut up, washed, and prepped. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. So now it's time for the basil. And with the basil, you don't need to cook it for too long. After the basil is put in, maybe about a couple minutes. We like to keep the basil fresh, and the basil's to add the fresh aroma, the smell. The basil of smell and stir fry smells so good.
Basil or hot basil?
So it looks like a different type of basil. It's a type of basil that you get more like an Asian supermarket. But in Cambodian we call it what do we call it? I forgot. Oh yes, we call it Mariah Pro. So if you're not sure how to find the basil, go to any Asian Cambodian supermarket and ask for Mareh Pro. I'm not sure what the English term for that is. I'll see if I can find it and I'll comment underneath. So now it's about 15 minutes and it's about done. Thank you so much, guys and gals, for watching. Again, please like and subscribe. And now it will be time for us to be eating it soon. So again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's take a close look at that. Wow, look at that. Golden crispy. That looks and smells so good, and it's going to taste even better. Thank you. Bye.